Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some of the areas in the house that I like to clean if we were to have last minute guests come over. I'm just going to show you guys the key areas I like to tidy up or clean first when I don't have a lot of time. Before we get started, let me tell you guys about Home Chef, and thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring this portion of my video. So if you haven't heard of Home Chef, it is pretty much a weekly subscription service that delivers fresh ingredients and easy to follow recipes straight to your home. And when I tell you it's easy, there's only like a handful of steps and everything comes pre-measured out for you. Everything you need is in this box. I love that you're able to pick and choose the meals that come in your box along with the amount of people you're feeding. These recipes cater to busy families, busy lifestyles, because with this, you don't have to really plan out your meals or go to the grocery store when you just don't have the time. So if you're new to cooking or you want to get into cooking, I recommend Home Chef because it kind of just eases you into cooking in the kitchen, all while making delicious meals. So the two meals I have in my box are steak and Parmesan crusted potato wedges, and then a one pot orange sesame turkey noodle bowl, but tonight we're gonna do steak. Here's everything laid out for tonight's dinner. We're gonna have steak, Parmesan crusted potato wedges, and then also like a creamy sauce to go on top of the steak. Can't wait to try that. So I'm just gonna chop up the herbs. I'm just following the steps, seasoning the meat, and then getting started on the potatoes. If you are new to cooking, definitely try out Home Chef because they do have the easiest recipes. I have tried out other meal services. These seem to be a little bit easier, and also the quality of the food is top notch. They also have a wide variety of meals. You're not always going to see the same thing in your rotation because they have over 20 meals to choose from every week. So there will always be something new to try. If you want to try out Home Chef for yourself, go to my description box and click the link or use the QR code on the screen. When you get there, type in Candis 50 to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. All right, so let's say we have about 30 minutes before we have guests show up to our house, and we just want to tidy up and make things look a little bit more presentable. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the windows and get some fresh air going, and then later on I'll light a candle. But first I like to get fresh air circulating through the house while I start to tidy up. When you know people are coming over, make sure you're clearing your kitchen table off because it does become a catch-all for everybody, especially when you have kids. Right now we have homework on the table, and then my little one, he's in the middle of building a Lego set. So that's just gonna have to stay on the table, but everything else I'm gonna take off and just wipe the table down. Because in my eyes, I feel like when you have guests come over, they might not feel comfortable sitting at your kitchen table when there's a bunch of personal items and clutter. Just make sure you're cleaning off that table. Since the kitchen is the hub of the home and where everybody gathers, I make sure I clear off the countertops, go ahead and start the dishwasher so you don't have dirty dishes in the sink or in the dishwasher just in case you need them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy up in here really quick, clear the countertops, and move on. If you have an espresso machine, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, then what I'm doing is I'm just taking out all of my old Nespresso pods and putting them into this Nespresso bag that we order from the website. When it's full, we just send it back to them and they recycle it the proper way. Since I only have about 30 minutes to clean up, I don't have time to mop, so I'm just gonna clear the entryway, which is one of the most important areas in the house. Gonna put all the shoes away, gonna take the trash out, and then I'm gonna quickly vacuum. Let's say you don't even have 30 minutes to clean all the areas I'm showing you in this video, and you really only have enough time to clean 2 areas in the house. In my opinion, the 2 most important areas to clean before guests come over is the powder room, whatever bathroom the guests are going to be using, and the kitchen. So make sure your kitchen countertops are clean, and then make sure that bathroom is clean. There's nothing worse than going over somebody's house and their bathroom is disgusting. Make sure your soap is refilled, lotion, there's a fresh towel in there or napkins. The toilet is clean, the sink is clean. So I'm just taking some Lysol wipes and wiping everything down. So the living room is usually something I would do last just because it takes 2 seconds to tidy the living room up. I just fluff the pillows and then I dust really quick and then I'll light a candle. So I have a little extra time, so I'm gonna do a couple things before we end this video. And as you can see, I picked up some new dishes. You guys know from my previous videos that I've been trying to find prettier dishes because all of my dishes are just plain white. So I have some scalloped pasta bowls already. I wanted to add in some more designs and colors into my dishware, just pretty things. So we're starting with these, and I love them. Last thing I'm going to be doing is picking some lettuce and tomato from our arrow garden. They are definitely overgrown. I don't know where that came from. Then I need to trim them down. I'll probably do that tomorrow because they're definitely getting too big. So I'm going to pick the lettuce leaves off, and then I'm going to pick some tomatoes, and that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.